In this presentation, we will print reports from the business account for the month of February. For more accounting information and accounting courses, visit our website at accountinginstruction.info. Here we are on the home page. We currently have the open windows open. In order to open the open windows, you go to the View drop-down and select the Open Windows list. We're now going to go over to the reports items, and we're going to print some reports for the month of February. We'll take a look first at the balance sheet, going to the company financial and taking a look at the balance sheet standard. The balance sheet being as of a point in time means that we could just have the end date, that end date being 02/29/20. This is what we have so far. We've got the checking account and we have our equity accounts. And note within the equity accounts, we've got the investments and the draws. That's what we'll be discussing as we do some comparisons with the personal QuickBooks file in a later presentation. We're going to go ahead and save this or print this. I'm going to use the printing function by going to print. And instead of saving as a PDF, I use the PDF printer. So I'm going to go to report and use this PDF printer and say print this item. And then I'll locate where we want to put it. I'm going to put it under the data files. I'm going to put it under the business only. We're going to put it into a February file account, and then we're going to call it balance sheet business for February. Something like that to give us some information just as a reference so we can use this to compare to the personal information as we enter that data. So we'll save that. And then now let's take a look at our income statement. So we'll go to the reports drop down. We'll go to the company and financial, take a look at the profit and loss. And let's run this one for the whole year. It's 20/02/29/20. Let's just run it for those 2 months. If we run it to the end of the year, it'll look the same because there's only 2 months of data in it, unless I miskeyed something again. So we'll have that information there. So let's print this one, and let's go to reports, and let's go to saving that. Print that report using the cute PDF printer. I'm going to put this underneath so I could see the date, and I'm going to call this is the P. And that's not a P, that's a curly brackets. P&L for January and February, let's say 2020. And then let's save that. And then let's do a comparison as well. So let's go to this drop down, and I'd just like to see the months broken out. And so this will give us January and February. So let's save that one. So we're going to go print this report. And we'll put this underneath again, or let's just print it. I'm not quite there yet. I'm getting ahead of myself. And we'll go here. And we want this one to be P and L. This will be comparing January and February 2020. And so that's what we've got so far for the business. Then we'll enter the same data into a separate QuickBooks file for the personal and be able to go back and forth and do some comparisons between the two at that time. For more accounting information and accounting courses, visit our website at accountinginstruction.info.